This is the HP OmniBook X, HP's first Copilot+PC, and this device marks a new AI era for HP, moving away from their previous laptop names to introduce the Omnibook series. So let's see what this device is all about. Titles! Laptops from HP will include the Omnibook name now and be followed by letters, names, or numbers depending on its specs or features, and of course its level of premiumness. Is that even a word? But today we are talking about this beauty, the HP OmniBook X. It's not just another laptop from HP, it's a leap forward in technology and design. With its unique naming convention, the X sets it apart from other laptops where X marks the spot for innovation. One of the things that stands out first is the AI device logo, or should I say Helix. Fancy. Unique to HP, this Helix signifies the integration of advanced AI capabilities, meaning that this laptop is a Copilot+PC. Think of it as your laptop's way of saying, I'm a super smarty pants. And it's also an easy way to distinguish that this device is capable of the awesome AI experiences that can only be found on a Copilot+PC. While we are talking about the looks, let's mention the design. The HP OmniBook X looks and feels premium. It's crafted from high-strength aluminium that not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a sleek, modern look, making it a classy laptop and ready for action, as well as containing recycled ocean-bound plastic, recycled metals, and post-consumer recycled plastic, meaning that it's greener too, compared to HP's previous laptops. In terms of connectivity, the OmniBook X offers a variety of ports too, including 2x USB-C ports, which one of them is a USB 4 supporting Thunderbolt 4 and can be used to output to an external screen. And then we also have one USB-A port with this little foldy down bit, as obviously the device is only 14mm thick. One more port to mention is the 3.5mm headphone microphone jack, so I can use my favorite headset too, ensuring that all the options needed are there when I need them. The laptop is lightweight, making it easy to carry around, and warning, I'm going to get specky here. It features a 14-inch IPS touchscreen display, which is an iSafe certified display, running at 2.2K resolution and 300 nits. Now, iSafe displays intelligently manage light energy at the source, selectively reducing blue light. Now, this is great and means a reduction in eye fatigue and other conditions when I'm using the device for long periods of time, which is perfect for both work and entertainment. And with all this good stuff, the device weighs in at just 1.347 kilograms, lighter than a carton of eggs, so it's light. In fact, it's so light, I might forget that I'm actually carrying it around, so just don't leave it behind, Matt. Under this nice looking chassis, the OmniBook X is powered by the latest Snapdragon X Elite SoC, or System on Chip, with 16GB of RAM and either 512GB or a terabyte of NVMe SSD storage. And with this chipset, it means that it has an NPU hitting that requirement of 40+ trillion operations per second, 45 tops to be exact, for those enhanced AI experiences and performance. It's like having a tiny genius living inside your laptop and giving you all that extra oomph that you need to use the features like Windows Studio Effects without slowing the PC down. Speaking of Windows Studio Effects, out of the box, the OmniBook X comes with a suite of pre-installed apps designed to enhance these AI experiences, like HP's Poly Studio audio tuning and temporal noise reduction technology, or TNR, which compares frames to identify and reduce sensor noise to deliver crisp video quality using the built-in camera or any camera that I decide to connect to the device. The built-in 5-megapixel camera offers high-quality video for meetings and content creation using everything that I've just mentioned, and has this little camera shutter too, so you get that extra security and privacy if needed. The keyboard features backlit keys with excellent key travel, providing a comfortable typing experience, and the dedicated Copilot key is also here to give you quick access to Copilot too. It's like having a magic button that makes your laptop smarter and ready to lend a hand anytime you need it. The trackpad is also a nice size and made of glass, and we even have this little blue accent on the power button, which is a nice touch. I like it. Despite its powerful specs, the OmniBook X is highly portable, as I mentioned before. With its robust SSD, ample RAM, and efficient NPU, it handles multitasking with ease, and the battery life is impressive too, with up to 26 hours and HP's fast charge capabilities, 50% in just 30 minutes, by the way. It has the longest battery of any of HP's consumer laptops. This all means a super sleek and lightweight device that can literally last all day without the need of being tethered to a socket and ready to go when I need it. That's pretty good. In summary, the HP OmniBook X is a versatile, powerful, and sustainable laptop that caters to both professionals and casual users, for example, someone like me. It has the ability to last all day and get me creative with AI experiences and Copilot, or many video calls that I have to take with Windows Studio Effects, keeping my device going and making me look and sound my best with TNR. I love that. And I can do all of this without having to worry about eye strain, which is real, by the way, or even charging my device, whether I'm on the move, in the studio, or at my desk at home. It also makes for a great shared device for the home, again lasting all day whether me or my family are working, doing homework, streaming our favourite shows, or just getting Copilot to help me organise the next family holiday. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content like this, or you can check out this video somewhere around here, available now, covering the current Copilot+PC range. I've been Matt. As always, you've been watching Microsoft Expert Zone UK and I will check you all on the flip side. Peace!